I have a streaming webcam by Angetube. It comes with a very long USB cable. It has an adjustable mount. Also, you can hook it to a tripod, which is nice. And here's another nice feature. You can shut the shutter in case you want privacy. But it has a wide-angle lens, has dual stereo sound. This is compatible with Mac. It's compatible with Windows, Android. It's great for conference calls. It's compact. It's good for video gaming, video conferencing, Zoom calls. You can also take pictures of other pictures with it, video, and you can take HD video with it. It has dual sound, has a wide angle lens, low light capabilities. It's well built, has a nice adjustable mount, has a low light capabilities. You can also do a background replacement. Has a very long sturdy cable, fits easily on your computer. It's great for home calls, conference calls, Zoom meetings. So we can use it for calling, conference calls, Skype calls, call your mom, call your friends. Has a great lens, wide angle, low light capabilities. Easily mounts to my computer. I like the feature where you can shut the camera off if you want. It's compatible with Mac and Windows. It'll fit also on a tripod with the mount. As a background replacement if you're at a Zoom call. It's great for Skype calls. If you're getting a call, maybe you want to do a Zoom meeting. It has a wide angle lens, great low light capabilities. You can also record HD video with it. It's great for those Zoom calls.
Hi, I just got this new Angetube webcam. I'm really excited about it. It has a stabilizer on it to make sure that it stays very stable, and you're able to slide this open and close just like that. And as you can see, the wide range here gives it a more panoramic view, so you have a better view of whatever you're filming. So I'm going to hook this up and give someone a call. So super easy to set up. Set it down like that. Oh, where did it go? Trying to remember how to put this on. Let's see. There we go. Clip on just like that. And let's plug it in. Oh. Here we go. That has a really nice image to it. Perfect. Hi. How are you?
How are you?
Doing good. Very nice. Well, it's good to catch up with you today.
Yep.
I'm just checking out my new webcam. So far, so good. I'm happy with it. I like your hat, by the way.
Thank you.
All right, well, I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Do we need to do another call? No.
Hello. Here I have this HD video stream webcam. This webcam is good for if you're on a video call, like a business call, or your friends or family. It has 180 degree radius and it has HD quality. This webcam can fit on most laptops or computer monitors. It has this sturdy adjustable arm on the back with a rubber padding so it won't slip. You can just put it on top of the of the monitor and push the arm back like that so it can stay sturdy and you can have it looking any way you want. So for your privacy, there is a sliding cover on the front that you can slide right in front of the camera to block it for your own privacy. And it can slide forward and back. This product has a long black wire that can stretch around to the side of any computer or laptop, and it plugs in just with a USB, and it's very sleek, and you can hide it just in the back or anything like that. This, the very top, the webcam swivels, so it has a wide range of view, and has a HD quality camera. This is the HD Stream webcam. This is a very clear webcam. Hey Dad, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can't believe how crisp and clear the sound of the video is.
It's
You
a
look great.
It's a great quality video, and it's very crisp, clear audio and video.